What you should know about the 3 Ds of real estate: death, divorce, and debt. Hi, I'm Terry Story with Team Terry Story here in Boca Raton, Florida. When there's a death and involving the sale of real estate, there's the probate process. And basically that's just going through a step-by-step process to determine how that asset's going to be distributed. Next is title issues. You see, when a person passes, and depending on how the title was held, if it was held with a spouse or if the person was single, will depend on how the title is transferred to a new owner. Overall, the sale of real estate when it involves deaths can be very emotional and complicated. Make sure you have experienced and professional real estate agents, probate attorneys, and tax advisors to ensure that the transaction will go smoothly. Next is divorce. The first thing that's important to understand is divorce varies from state to state, and it's important to know your state's specific laws and regulations around divorce. Next, getting your finances in order. What do I mean by that? Do you know what the mortgage payoff amount is, your taxes? You need all that information in order for you to do the next step, which is decide how you want the proceeds split. Next, you want to hire a real estate professional who has a lot of experiences with divorce. You see, divorce is a very emotional time for most parties, and a real estate agent with a lot of experience will know how to navigate through this and ensure that the transaction goes smoothly. And finally, the last one, debt. If you're finding yourself drowning in debt and are considering selling your house, pause and think about it for a moment. Gather up all your finances and really look at the situation and see how much debt there really is before you make the decision to sell your home. If you make the decision to go ahead and sell your home, first find out, are you underwater? The first thing you're going to want to do is call your lender. You see, oftentimes lenders will do loan modifications to keep you from losing your home. Get in touch with the real estate agent to see how much equity you actually have in your home. Once you have this information, you're going to be able to make an informed decision as to what to do. You may be able to go ahead and do what we call a short sale. A short sale is a negotiated agreement between you and the lender. Before you tackle any of that on your own, make sure you're consulting a real estate attorney before you go into a short sale or even into a foreclosure. There's a lot of implications involved around that, and you want to make sure you're doing the right thing for you and your family. Now you know the 3 Ds of real estate. Please subscribe to Team Terry Story.